Morning. It is Friday and I am so excited for this morning. We're going to be doing one of those things that I dreamed about before I even had children, and so the fact that we're going to be going and doing this morning is just the most special thing ever. I think I'm going to be really emotional.
Hi.
You saying morning? Who's there?
Me. I'm Jet.
You are Jet. And how old are you?
I'm 2. I'm gonna be 3.
You're going to be 3?
Yeah.
And let's see if you actually know. What are we doing today?
We're going to a ballet class.
Yeah, we're going to a ballet class.
Mummy,
Oh, I'm so excited.
Well, Mummy,
Yeah?
we're going to a ballet.
Yeah. Some of my just absolute fondest memories growing up are from ballet. I started going to Miss Picton's ballet class when I was about 3 or 4 and went for years, went for like a decade. On a Saturday morning in the local very cold church hall, doing ballet and tap for about 10 years with her. She was like this really, well, I remember her being like so old. I bet she was like 50, but no, I think she's older. She was all bent over and like this little old lady, but she was such a good teacher, and I just absolutely loved my ballet mornings. Every Saturday I'd go do that, and then we'd go have our pocket money, go to the sweet shop, get a refresher, and then go to my drama class in the afternoon. I just always knew when I had children that I wanted them to do ballet. Such a fun dance, I think, as well, from when they're really young, because it's just so broad. I'm just gonna put you down. I think it just generally teaches like good discipline and posture, and it's just so fun as well, just nice to express yourself. But one thing I never thought about was if I had a boy. I just always pictured having a girl and taking her to ballet. So I went to Miss Picton's for about 10 years. Then I did Stagecoach, which I loved, and at that point I wasn't doing very well at school, and I was like maybe like 14, and I just loved drama and dancing. And then my parents were amazing, and they were just really aware of, like, rather than trying to just push me in school, did you see that foot? They researched local performing arts schools, and then I ended up moving to a performing arts school when I was 14 and was there all through my GCSEs and A-levels. I absolutely loved it. It was just the most amazing experience. And obviously that was then like a lot of boys as well, because when I'd just been going to like Saturday dance classes, it would only ever been girls. But it was really interesting going to performing arts school and seeing ballet dancers, these incredible boys that are so strong. They carry the ballerina and they need to have such good control and poise, and it's such an incredible art form as a guy to be a ballet dancer. And so I'm really excited about Jet trying it.
I'm doing another poo.
Cool. Well, that's ruined the moment. But yeah, I'm just really excited for him to try it. Really hope he likes it. We're just doing a trial today. So yeah, sorry, I should have said, I've said at the beginning of this video, we are working with Baby Ballet, and I'll say more about them later. So we're just doing a trial lesson with them, but I 100% intend on signing up next term for Jet to start properly. You know, there's life parenting moments that feel quite momentous. I feel like this, going to his first dance class, just feels like a really big deal. I'm really excited. I just really hope he plays ball. We'll see. What was your favourite bit?
Yeah. Jumping and hopping and spinning.
Jumping and hopping and spinning.
And on my magic mat.
What colour was your magic mat?
Green.
Green, wow.
The tippy toes.
Tippy toe. Can you remember what your teacher was called at ballet?
Miss Harry.
Miss Terry. And there was also Miss Kelly.
Yeah.
They were very lovely teachers, weren't they? Did she teach you lots of things?
My favourite bit was galloping like a horse.
You were so good at galloping.
Yeah.
What other things did you do?
Jumping and hopping and spinning.
Jumping and hopping and spinning.
And on my magic mat. Like a hat.
Would you like to go back and do another class?
Yeah.
Please. There we go. Am I going to see? We've done tidy ties. Let's see. Nothing until then we see.
Can't come to ballet class.
Did she? She came to watch you, didn't she? Did you like that she was watching you?
Yeah.
Walked in, the first thing I noticed that it was all girls and then Jen, which I think is a shame. I think as a parent of boys, you often just don't think to send them, but I just couldn't recommend it more as a parent of a boy. He loved it, and all the terminology that she used was completely for both genders. At the end they did curtsying and bowing, and it wasn't just like, let's skip around like princesses. It was like, let's balance like an aeroplane and let's jump like a kangaroo, and it was just, yeah, really good for boys and girls. Oh, you did some galloping like a horse. Was that fun? What have you got on your hand?
Teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Right, let's go. It's nap time, but isn't napping today. Even though in the car on the way home he said, "I'm so tired, Mummy. I'm going to go home and have a sleep." And I was like, wow, I've got a perfect child. No, he was just lulling me into a false sense of security.
I'm so tired, Mummy.
Yeah, but you're not, are you? Because you didn't sleep. So you can't be that tired. Why? Why are you always on me? Why are you always on me? Let's say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to tell everybody about Baby Ballet? Did you just bash? So, Baby Ballet, I thought I'd just say a bit more about them because obviously we're working with them. And Baby Ballet, if you're watching this, thank you for working with us. They have been such a pleasure of a company to work with. They've been so lovely, and I just love the ethos and just the reasoning behind everything that they do. It's an incredibly It's an incredibly inclusive class. You're welcome, all genders, ages, abilities, disabilities, anyone is welcome. Our teacher, Miss Terry, was just the loveliest thing. I had quite low expectations for Jet, bless him. I just thought he wasn't going to understand loads of it. He was amazing. All the different things that she was asking him to do, he totally got. It felt like a bit of an insight into what he must be like at nursery. Like, he obviously can follow instructions, which is good for me to know. As well as just being obviously dance, it's about she's got a bottom in the shot. It's about kind of instilling discipline and self-respect, the kind of structure of ballet, which you really picked up on in the class. Like, it felt like the children really respected the teacher, they really listened to everything she said, and it was all very ordered, but still really fun. He loved it. I couldn't believe how much he got involved. It was brilliant. And it's nationwide, so you can go on their website and find out the classes that are near you. They're all ages, they're from 6 months to 6 years. I would really, really recommend. It was a really, really lovely, lovely class. Do a thumbs up.
The new coat.
Jet, I put this coat on. I haven't worn it yet this season. Very observant Jet said, "Oh, mummy, have you got a new coat?" But it's not new. Just haven't worn it yet this spring summer 2019. Right, where are we gonna go?
We're going to the farm.
Yay! Let's go. He refused to sleep in his bed earlier. Now we arrive at the farm and he's snoring. So typical. I would just sit here, but I feel bad because we're meeting our friends and we're already really late. Hi, babe. We're at the farm. Ready? Go on then. Oh! Oh, well done.
They're cuddling each other.
They're cuddling each other?
Yeah.
That's nice.
And they go to sleep in the bed.
Are they?
In the hay. They sleep in the hay.
They do, yeah.
Do they read a bedtime story?
Do they read a bedtime story? Yeah, I think they do. That is a big piggy.
He's got poop on him.
See? Nice.